हेलो एवरीवन। आज इस वीडियो में स्टेंसिल काटने का आसान तरीका। ये वीडियो लास्ट एंड तक देखिए। मैं एक और शीट यूज़ करते हुए इसमें पेंसिल से ड्रॉ किया था। इसमें ड्रॉ करने के बाद आराम से तसल्ली से कटर से काटिए और कटर के प्रेशर थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा होना चाहिए ताकि स्टेंसिल आसान से कट जाए।
I'd like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please? Life's all about balance, and real love takes practice. We know accidents happen, but my love's on purpose. Reciprocate the feeling, find peace beneath the surface. Everything's peachy, everything's peachy. Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please? Personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. Split personality, sometimes sour, until your breath fall. It's been too long now, I think that I'm on. I second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your